So welcome to part 2, where we'll be doing a bit more filming of the York Classic Car Show. Got some lovely cars on display here, Austin 6 especially, another 2CV, Rover, I think this is a P3, I believe, it could be a P2, P3 isn't were on the market for very long at all. Marcos. Trump Spitfire. That's actually the first Spitfire I've seen today. Another MGB. Got some older stuff here. Very cool. Another BMW. Toyota MR2. Austin Channel. That's what that was. Ford Cortina. Another one of them. Oh, Maestro. Yes, MG Maestro. Very nice. Next to a Morris Marina 3-door. We've got another Austin. Let's have a look over here. Got a. Is this another Moke? It is another Moke. Another Moke. Yep. MGTF. Another RV8. Very nice. A few minis. Some more Jags. Very cool. And a Range Rover at the end there. Let's have a look up here. Oh, I can smell donuts. Oh. Got some lovely Mercedes over here. Wow, yeah. I've got a Rover P5 coming in there as well. Just saw it in the background. Very cool. But yeah, these Mercedes, I do like these. These are very nice. Got some more Mercedes over here. Very nice. Let's have a look what we've got down here. I do apologise if I do miss any areas. I do try and keep as many cars in the video as possible. But obviously with more cars coming in and stuff, it's pretty tough, and I'm only here for a few hours anyway, so lovely little Toledo there, Bedford. Got an MGB. Sunbeam. Bentley. Little Mini there, it's a Rover Mini. With the badge on the front, it's shaped like the Rover badge. Very cool. It's even got a little one in the parcel shelf back there. It's very nice. Aye. A lovely Vauxhall here. Next to an Austin. Another Jag E-Type. Ooh, there's a Metro there. I'm interested in that. I have to go have a look at that. Another little Austin there. It's a good range of cars here today. It's actually, the weather has held off, which is very good. It's pretty good. It actually looks like it's clearing up over there. No, when I look, it'll probably start raining, but lovely little Metro. I believe this is a GTA by the looks at the wheel trims and stuff. It is a GTA, yeah. It's very cool. Yeah, I like that. I've always wanted some sort of Metro, but yeah, as I say, I've got enough cars as it is. But that's very nice indeed. I love the seat pattern as well. It's very cool, is that? TR6 here, Land Rover, it's an MG midget. Another Austin, there's quite a few Austins here. MGB, another MGB, Citroen 2CV, another Ford Cabriolet.
Well, should everybody should everybody have a plastic into a restaurant? Should you be talking English?
A few old cars here. Model A's, and a Mini at the end. We do have some more stuff up here actually, I didn't really notice this. We'll have to go up here though, have a gander. Let's have a look. Oh, is that a... Oh, it's a freight rover. Oh, do not see many of these at all. These are very rare. Ah, yes. Sherpa van. Very rare. Very cool. Mazda. A few little Morris's an old Royal Mail van. Very cool. Got a few old trucks here as well. Leylands, Scanias, old bus, Leyland bus. These are very old as well, you can tell by number, especially that one. Don't know how old that is. Thanks for a Cortina. Nice old coach there. A Bedford van. I'm sure I've seen that before, you know, going round. Some old London buses. Very cool. Got some more old stuff over here as well. York Pullman. Luxury travel. Oh. They're very cool. A few old Landys. We'll go have a look at the Landys as well. No certain person will be interested in stuff like this. Old Defender. A few Range Rovers as well, very nice. I do say I do like the Range Rovers of that era as well. They're very nice as well. But yeah, good event I think. Very nice indeed. So yeah, I think that wraps it up for this video, and yeah, cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Before I just end the second video, I just wanted to go have a look at this Volvo 480. I love the look of these. These are just fantastic. Very nice. Very cool. We've got a Rover P5. It's a 3.5 litre this one, so it'll be the V8, obviously. It's a coupe as well, yeah, so it's a P5B. I like these, I really do. I was wanting one as a classic car when I first got into them, but then I thought it'd be a bit too much to start off with, I think. But yeah, it's very nice, is that.